In this video, we're going to look at how to set up a voice thread on BloqueNeón. So, first you go to the place where you want your voice thread to appear. Let's say we go to week 1, let's say Tuesday, and we'll go to Add Existing, External Tool Activity, and then you can select voice thread. And it's very similar to what we did before on SQL. So individual voice thread, create new voice thread, add media, and then you add the corresponding PowerPoint that you want in the background. And we're going to use the same tradition of naming these. So you put first the year, sorry, not the year, the course number, so 1157, then your section, so maybe let's say you teach section 10, and then the number of your voice thread. This is your first voice thread, so you put 001, and then let's say this is the pronunciation profile. And then the year, the semester, and the bimester. All right, and then save, share with class, share with class. All right, now what happens is that this voice thread appears down here. All right, like if it doesn't appear exactly where you want it, you can, well, first you can click here, hidden, see it's visible, now people can see it, the students namely. You can move it up. Let's say we want it under Tuesday, you put it under Tuesday. And then if you want to change the name, because we don't want to just call it voice thread, you can go here to the buttons, edit. I like to call it like VT, and then not this whole thing, but just so that the students can easily identify what it is. Save, and it looks like this. All right, and there you go, and it's just as it was before.